Hello, it's a chilly but bright day here in Nairobi, and I'm right at the heart of Parklands, where 3 of our projects by Rama Homes Ltd are located. Let's take a look at some of our projects. This is Batubatu Gardens, where Jumeirah Heights is located. So far, construction is ongoing, and these are the highlights. Jumeirah Heights is a 3 and 4 bedroom plus DSQ apartment with a plinth area of between 130 square meters to 200 square meters. The construction is at 8th floor, and currently the setting up of the 9th floor slab pillars is ongoing. Marina Heights apartment located at 3rd Parklands Avenue, another project by Rama Homes. Let's see how far the construction is. After a successful excavation, currently laying the foundation of this apartment is underway. Marina Heights is a 4-bedroom apartment with a plinth area of 180 square meters. All our projects have a 6-year payment plan and a 0% interest. For more information, you can check us out on our social media platform, that is on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube at Rama Homes Ltd. Rama Homes Ltd, bringing luxury home.